Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and recently I just started school at Penn State University. Right now, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing my boosted board. Okay, this is kind of heavy. I got the Boosted Mini S. Before I open this, I just want to say thank you to my aunt for getting this for my graduation gift. I really appreciate it. And I'm actually going to open it now. I've been waiting for 2 long weeks just to make this video. I don't think knives are allowed, so I have to use my room key to open this. Oh, just slide it up. There we go. Oh, damn, that's nice. So this is the electric skateboard, my Boosted Mini S. Oh, there's the remote. Yo, that looks so dope. Oh my god. They have stickers, what the heck? That's gonna go on my laptop. So this is the instruction manual, I would assume. I don't want to read it because I feel like it's common sense. Yep. Alright, let's just do it. Okay. How do I turn it on? Oh, there's the power button. Oh my god, it's on. Oh, maybe I have to press and hold. Genius. Didn't even need to look at the manual. I'm a pro unboxer already. Alright. Okay, I'm not gonna step on it because I'm kind of scared. Alright, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Shit. Oh, that was hella fast. Alright, let me go backwards, but a little slowly. You know what? I'm gonna stand here just in case. And stop it. Does it go backwards? Okay, I'm gonna go for it. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh! I figured. Oh, it goes backwards too. I figured it out. Alright, so basically, how it works is you need to push the trigger button and then you can go forward. It's like a safety mechanism. Oh, this is so forward and then backwards. And if I oh my god. Hey, that's Hayden, by the way, in the corner. This is Rithik.
What's up?
Oh, I tried it. It's so scary. What the heck?
You tried it?
I fell too.
Where'd you ride it?
In my dorm. By the way, today's Friday, so we have a weekend of practice before I get to actually put this to use. Hi.
You can start on the second round. Trust me. Beginner.
Intermediate. What the heck?
Intermediate. It's like there's 4, I think, for you.
Yeah. Alright, I'm stuck. There you go. Going up a hill. There's no way I'm going 25 on this. What the heck? Oh, there's Norman. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. This is white line. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, man.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Definitely.
Good luck, and I'll hopefully see you later.
Alright, see you, man. Okay guys, so we just finished testing out my booster board. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for some other future videos that are most likely coming up. So thank you so much for watching again, and don't be contagious, be contagious. Maybe I should change the word to outrageous, because you know, you want to stand out or something. I don't know. Anyway, see ya.